Hello there. Thanks for stopping by to my channel. Are you a photographer, content creator, videographer, somebody who owns a sweet camera, but your live streams look like this? I'm going to show you how to go from that to this. So setting this up is rather simple. It requires a $15-ish, I'll leave some links in the description, USB to HDMI stick, and just your average HDMI cable. You can run the HDMI out from your camera into the stick and it just shows up as a camera on your computer. And this works for anything, mirrorless, DSLR, even camcorders, some point and shoots, just as long as it has some form of HDMI out. It might be like a micro HDMI, which is a little bit smaller connector. You just have to look up your camera and figure out which one it takes. If you have a Sony camera, you might have to change the settings to say that it is doing a clean output, which just means that there's no text around the output and that it's just a clean signal with just the video. So you plug that into your computer and set it up as a camera in your Zoom software, Teams software, like Facebook Live, YouTube Live, anything that can use the camera in your computer can use the camera feed from the little USB stick. To kind of finish it off, I added a light, but it's not anything like too expensive. It's just, it was actually like a puzzle light fixture on Amazon, but you can get anything like one of these China balls. It's like $7 on Amazon. You can get one of those. Just put a light bulb in it and just hang it up in front of you and you'll get pretty much this light. I do have like a white piece of cardboard here too, just to bounce some light back on because the side of my face is real dark. If you want unlimited runtime, you might need to add one extra thing, which would be a dummy battery or just a power supply if your camera accepts power delivery. So just figure out what type of power input your camera takes. If it'll take power delivery, like the newer Sony cameras will take that, that's just USB-C. If it needs a dummy battery, that's just a battery that has a cable that comes out of it and comes with a little power supply so you can plug it into the wall. And that'll make your camera run forever. Or if you're good with your camera's battery life, maybe like an hour, 2 hours, then you can get away with just using the battery that's built into your camera. So that's really about it. This looks way better. You're using your awesome camera. You're not using the webcam that's built into your MacBook that's 720p. That's what you saw was the camera that's built into my MacBook Air. It's like terrible resolution, terrible in low light. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get some more subscribers, so if you like this type of content, that'd be cool. I'll have some more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.